Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add PDF in Evernote. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. And how to create an account in Evernote? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type evernote.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen prompt to sign up by creating a new account or to log in using an existing account. Now, once you log in or you sign up successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's step, which is how to add PDF in Evernote. From your homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen and locate the Notes button. Now, in this left corner, you're going to find Home, Shortcuts, Notes, Task, Calendar. Click on Notes. Once you click on Notes, you're going to have to select the note that you're working on. Let's say, let me click on my work record. So this is the notes I'm working on, my work record. So I want to add a PDF to this. So click on the note. And once you click on the notes, you're going to see these options in the top corner of your screen. And one of them is this plus icon. So go ahead and click on the plus icon. And you're going to find an extended menu that says tags, calendar events, link, notes link, table divider, attachments, image, checkbox, all the way down to Google Drive. Now go ahead and click on this attachment. And once you click on this attachment, you're now going to be able to add your PDF into this. So head over to document or downloads, just whatever. Let's say in my documents, I had a PDF, but this one's not in PDF. I'm like, I do not have any PDF yet. But then if you have a PDF, just go ahead and select the document. That's the PDF that you want to add. So let's say this is what I want to add. Let's say that's a PDF, right? So go ahead and click on open. And once you click on open, you see that this is going to be attached into my note. One moment while attached, so it has been attached. So this is a Word doc, right? It's not a PDF, but then if it is a PDF, then it's just going to be the same process. Just follow through the same process and it's going to be added just like this. Just like this, really, just like this. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.